How you doing? I'm playing against Star.
I'm working.
She's working on getting herself on.
Camera. You want to see me? I got headphones on. Hi, world.
Star says hi, right?
Get that out of my face. Let me adjust my camera so it'll be nice and
Okay, so we're gonna be playing Slendytubbies against each other.
We're playing the exact same map at the exact same time.
Exact same map and everything.
I'm doing the house large. Tubby house large, 25 custards.
I thought we were doing mountain first.
It's the first one on the top map. Start game.
Wish us luck, especially me.
Die.
Hang on.
Look, now you're in the camera. You know, oh, I'm in. Why are you running? Why are you running?
Running. Ha! I'm running before you.
Oh, I actually turned it off.
Oopsie.
Go back to spawn.
I'll go back. Hang on. Back.
I restarted. Wait, it still saved it for me. Why can't get off? I had to spawn and wait for you. Orange child. What do I do? Get back in the game.
Okay.
Years and yada 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 yada. I turned it off again. I'm changing the side. So my hand will be on off. All the players can hear all my bloopers. Bloopers mean failure.
Joshua, throw him out the window, hurry.
Yes, I do.
Start. Hang on.
I know it's itchy. Can't think I keep on hitting the wrong button.
It hit you. Oh, hey, Dreamer. This is Tommy. Shut up. Leave me alone.
It's taking forever to load.
Single player, just a single player. She won't pop up. I'll start moving when she. Where'd you log out?
I thought you said go back to spawn.
Yeah, spawn means like where you appear at. That's what it was. But you turned it off. Hello, darkness.
Start.
Purple thing.
Start.
I don't have to yell.
Start.
Wait, give it time, you impatient little person. Oh, demon child, you better not be awake for me. I can't even demon child in face.
Stop shaking hands.
The demon child to me.
The purple little demon.
I think yours is froze. What? Keep it going. Sorry, messed up. I knew it.
Sorry about that.
Demon here.
Where?
Don't you see his legs?
The little demon. English.
Hello. Bye. I made him teleport back to the house by making him chase me to spawn. That's how you get rid of him. Go to spawn, he teleports back to the Teletubby house. Don't want to come back here. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I've come to talk with death again.
Dang it. This one, wait, look.
Shut up. I'm tired of you now.
Demon, are you over here again? Mine are very warm. It's semi-froze. Keep an eye out for purple thing.
Oh,
Okay.
You'll appear right up here. You'll be able to see his little legs.
I got no seasoning. You got new seasoning? No, I got my
My face is out of screen. Look at my fingers. Demon? No.
Oh, I hear the bus speeding up.
Jeez. Loading. Tapping on a school bus. Hello, children. Don't. If this map still doesn't work for you, okay, let it. Wait, just wait for us.
Okay. So it'll work for you, but not me.
Do I have to put an eye out for the purple?
Hang on.
You might be nearby.
Clear.
I go back to my space and make sure it's okay because I think I saw some purple. I don't know anymore. I don't know where he is. I know he's long gone from the house. I can tell because I can hear him.
I have no clue. He's there. You're dead. I'm dead. Be expecting me to die.
No.
What happened, Bob?
Yay. I told you it was not that far.
Paul.
Don't get stuck in a rock.
Custard game.
There you go.
What am I doing? I'm off the path. Ah.
Don't forget, I know where all these custards are.
I know you know, but I don't, which is so unfair.
You played the map before. Just all you have to do is follow the path and stuff. That's my only hint.
I'm trying.
Purple demon, don't you dare I'll grab a tree branch and whack it with it.
You can't do that, can you? Hope so.
And if I was actually in the game like in real life, I would grab a stick by now and whack it with it.
I'm lost.
You're off the path.
Oh no, I'm on the
If you
path.
see that cave thing, that means you're way off.
I have no clue where I am going.
If you see the house, beware because that's where the purple demon lives.
Ooh, another custard. Oh, I beat my unlucky number again.
Beware the purple demon that came.
Okay, good.
You're 16.
Just a custard.
What I'm stopping for him. I'm singing certain snake. Hellos. I think I'm starting to hallucinate colors now. I don't know.
I wish I didn't have to play this.
Yeah, or it's torture. I don't.
To me, it's torture. It's always been torture.
Demon child. If you're following me,
I'm stuck. I can't see.
get murdered.
Okay,
Just go in the game on the bus.
I have no clue where I am at.
Hey, you're lucky. You're playing on a little screen. I'm playing on the big screen.
Lucky? Lucky? You can see more than me.
Oh my god. I'm paranoid right now. I'm starting to become paranoid.
Do you think you're paranoid?
Demon, you better not be still at your house.
I don't know where I'm going, so yeah. At least you know where you're going.
I'm up the path and I'm...
Path.
Oh yeah, beware of trees because somehow he's able to hide behind them.
Beware of the trees. Trees are everywhere. We're outdoors.
Don't look at leaves because he's able to hide behind them.
Okay. Very good. I'm scared.
Spooky trees, where are you?
I'm so much scared now. Thanks a lot.
I wonder...
I don't know where I am, but
I
I'm
had to cut off it early because of, see him?
Shut up! Shut up!
I guess I won.
Yeah, you won! You won!
We got murdered. Single players. Okay, like, it's not okay since it's marked hazy white. Well,
Mountain. No.
not possess school because that demon girl there hates me. Mountain.
Yes.
I already started. I'll be waiting for you.
I'm playing against my personal favorite.
My favorite master is Snowy because apparently,
He can like me every now and then, but other times he'll hate me.
yeah, neutral when she plays the Yeti typically weeks her most of the time.
I actually do pretty good whenever it comes to the mountain.
Yeah, because it's easy to find and it's a large map with one monster, it's pretty slow. But we may have to cut this map off short because, you know, my stop and stuff.
Yeah.
If you don't know, we're playing this on the school bus. That's how you can hear buzzing. Probably can't even hear the music.
Girl. I killed a customer. And he relays on oh.
Okay, so be quiet. I'm trying to listen for his voice.
I don't know his voice.
I told you that in the PE.
I know, but I don't know what he's
Something like that.
Oh, here you're my bestest friend in an evil lab. Like that helps. It does because I'll know his voice, but it helps.
I found 3 testers already. Wait, 4 testers. Yeah, 4.
I found 5.
I don't know. Let me check. Let me find a tester, grab it, and see how many I have. Find one, grab it, and tell me how many you want. I have 20 left. We're going through.
Come here, you custard. Oh, 19 left.
Yeah, you can.
He likes me again.
If I'm able to grab the snow, I'll hunt him with snow.
Neener, neener, neener.
19.
We're
First
tied.
map, and it wants to come in with a ticket map. Is he following you?
No, but me and you are tied. I have only 19 left, and so do you.
Yeah.
So let's see who wins. Oh, crud. Ooh, I'm fixing to be tied again. Tie again. Oh, crap. Well, we're not tied.
I think I can hear him, but I don't care.
You don't really care. You're doing good.
Yeah, I can outrun him if I don't get stuck or lag. I have 16 left, 15 left. I picked a good pacify.
We're doing actually really good. Oh, another one and
14 left.
17.
No signs of
No sign of
Yeti.
Mr. Jerks a lot from time to time. Right now he's being Mr. Nice a lot. If you were here, you would understand my fear.
Yeah, apparently she gave him a weird name.
I missed it.
Every once in a while I call him Frosty because he lives in a frosty area. Yeah, money. I have 12 left.
I
I'm
have
in this
16.
cave.
Where's this cave?
And like somewhere at the top of the map.
Good thing I'm heading down. Ah! He fell! He fell!
I won again.
I didn't even hear him.
Didn't hear his laughter.
No.
Okay, don't get on. There you go, cut off your recording and say your byes. Bye bye, everybody.
Bye.